Hi everybody, welcome back to another importing training video. My name is Alex Ryan and welcome to the Importer's Lifestyle. Now, I get a couple of questions every now and then about importing from China and traveling to China to start your own import-export business. A couple of quick questions are where to stay. Now, I made a video about this before, but I'm actually staying in the heart of Xi'an right now, and whenever I travel to certain cities, I always make sure I stay in the downtown area because it's much easier to maneuver, it's easier to make appointments. Most of the factory's offices usually are going to be in the city center, and they're usually going to be downtown. So if you are looking at traveling to China and you are going to stay in the city, stay in the CBD area because don't stay in a Marriott or an Ibis hotel like near the airport because that's way too far away and it's going to be quite difficult to actually travel to meetings and to meet suppliers. All right, so quick tip. Another quick tip is what do you go about wearing? Now, obviously, I'm very casual right here, but it is in the middle of summer in China and it's like 33-degree heat out there. But obviously, I don't turn up to meetings dressed like this. I'm just about to go out for some dumplings, but whenever I travel to China to meet suppliers, I always carry with me some shirts. Now, I'll just show you very quickly here what kind of shirts I have, what shirts I always carry. These are business shirts. I always get dry cleaned and packed like this to make sure they're very fresh when I do arrive from the airport. I've got a shirt there. I've got different colors right here. I've got a blue one right here, and I've got one here as well. Now, I carry shirts like this with me anytime I travel, and this is something that you guys should be doing as well. Obviously, if you're a woman, you'll be wearing a blouse and a black suit. But the reason why I carry shirts like this is it enables me at a drop of a hat, if I'm in the city center, I'm having lunch or something, and a factory supplier calls me up and says, Alex, I need to, we have to have the meeting now, we have to sort out or negotiate right now. I can drop by the hotel quickly, pick up a shirt like this, and just wear it with jeans. And this is what I wear. I don't actually typically wear a black suit. It's way too hot, and factory owners don't expect it in summertime. Even they don't wear it these days. They wear t-shirts. Now, what do you travel with? What's your itinerary? What's your tools of trade? I always carry with me a professional-looking bag similar to this. It's got several different compartments in it. It's very professional, professional looking. Obviously, you don't carry a backpack with you. Carry something professional like this, and something with a sling. You don't want to be carrying this around because sometimes it can be heavy. So have a sling there that you can sling over your shoulder. I carry an iPad with me. It used to be a laptop, but obviously things have changed. So I always carry with me an iPad because it's much more lighter than a heavy laptop, which can weigh a couple of kilos. This is very, very light. This is the new iPad, and I always have a keyboard as well, which is a Bluetooth keyboard which connects to the iPad. So occasionally, when I'm typing a lot, this is way more. This is about $60 in my country, but I actually picked this. You can actually pick these up in China very cheap as well down the markets. So this is something you should invest in as well. If you do a lot of typing, and prefer to type on a particular keyboard. All right, so that's an iPad is something that I would recommend that you bring. And I always carry two phones with me. I have an iPhone with me. And obviously I get a Chinese SIM card when I'm here. I highly recommend that. It's much easier getting one in Hong Kong, and it's very cheap to make phone calls, but I always get a local one at the airport. Much easier doing it at the airport because a lot more people speak English at the airport as opposed to someone on the street here. And I always carry with me a local phone, a roaming phone. Yes, I do pay a little bit more for calls, but it allows me to talk with manufacturers, with warehousing people in Australia, which is obviously where I'm from. And that's pretty much it. I just want to make a quick video, basically what to wear, how to prepare yourself, what to bring with you, because essentially all you need is a laptop and a mobile phone, and that's it. You can pretty much run this business anywhere in the world, whether you're in your home country, whether you're in Tahiti, or whether you're traveling abroad, visiting downtown China. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you real soon. And by the way, if you do have questions for myself or for Peter's son, do email us, do contact us. We've got heaps of programs, heaps of products, books, events that we constantly run and boot camps as well. So we've got heaps of range of different coaching packages, and a lot of our coaching clients are based overseas. So it doesn't matter whether or not you're located in Australia,